Now T ratio for 90 plus theta. Now 90 plus theta, certainly where it is, first quadrant is 90, starting from here 0 to 90, and 90 plus theta means in the second quadrant. Okay, so let's discuss it now. Let a revolving line ray starts from OX, from here, starts from OX, trace an angle, say angle XOP is equal to theta. Okay, OP is equal to radius of a circle, that is R. Now, let another ray OP dash OP dash starting from OX trace an angle of 90 degree and move further through angle theta such that angle XOP dash is equal to 90 degree plus theta. Now what this second line means? This line means first starting from here it covers 90 degree and then it moves further up to theta, where already whatever the measurement for the theta was. Suppose theta is 30 degree, then it will move up to 30 degree from 90. Means 90 plus 30 it will become 120 degree. Okay. So such that angle XOP is equal to 90 plus theta. Now draw PM and P dash M dash perpendiculars to X dash OX respectively. Now angle YOP dash is equal to YOP dash is equal to angle OP dash M is equal to theta. Now what the reason is? OY is parallel to P dash M dash and OP dash is a transversal. Okay. Now in triangle, now we are having two triangles. Let's discuss about OMP. Now in triangle OMP and triangle OM dash P dash. In triangle OMP and OM dash P dash. Now what we are having? Angle OP dash. First of all, let's write it angle. MOP is equal to OP dash M dash. is equal to theta. Then angle PMO is equal to angle P dash M dash O is equal to 90 degree each. OP is equal to OP dash. Okay. Therefore, triangle OMP is congruent to triangle OM dash P dash. Hence, OM dash is equal to MP. OM dash will be is equal to negative of MP. OM dash is equal to negative of MP. They have opposite signs. Then we are having M dash P dash is equal to AM. Same signs. And OP dash is equal to OP. Okay. Same way you can draw two different types of triangles. You can go like this also, that one triangle is here, one triangle is here. Suppose this is now OMP, because angle O is theta, here angle P dash is theta, so P dash M dash, and this will be O. You can move it, same, all these things. Okay. Now number one we are having sine 90 degree plus theta. Now this is equal to M dash P dash upon OP dash. This is equal to OM upon OP is equal to OM upon OP cos theta. Okay, so sine 90 plus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. Now number 2. Cosecant 90 plus theta is equal to OP dash upon M dash P dash. This is equal to OP upon OM. This is equal to secant theta. Cos 90 plus theta, OM dash upon OP dash. Now this is negative of MP upon OP is equal to negative of sin theta. Three, and this is 4. Now 4 will be reciprocal for cos 90 plus theta. Secant 90 plus theta, this will be OP dash upon OM dash. This is equal to OP upon negative of MP. Now this is equal to minus cosecant theta. Number 5, tan 90 plus theta. Now tan 90 plus theta will be M dash P dash upon OM dash. Now this is equal to OM upon negative of MP. This is equal to negative of cot theta. Number 6, cot 90 plus theta will be, now cot 90 plus theta OM dash upon M dash P dash. Now this will be negative of MP upon OM negative of tan theta. Okay, so now in the second quadrant what we are having? We are having sine as positive and cosecant as positive. Okay, rest 4 are negative. Now, or we can write it, this is positive, this is positive. Result. Okay, and the remainings are all negative. Negative, negative, negative and negative. Okay, so in the second quadrant, according to the formulas, what we are having? We are having 2 positive, sine theta and cosecant theta, rest are negative.